Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing video. It's my favorite type because it usually means that I bought something and that I cannot wait to show you. It's actually my birthday month because I'm one of those Pisces who like to celebrate whole of the March and make such a huge fuss out of their birthdays. Not because I like to be center of attention, well maybe that's why as well, but it's also because I actually just love celebrating and I love all sorts of reasons for celebrating. So it's just an amazing week and an amazing month full of parties. So anyway, long story short, I wanted to unbox one of my presents, and you might be wondering, if it's a present, why are you unboxing it in front of the camera? And it's one of those presents where you actually choose the present yourself, you buy it for yourself, and you're like, this is my present for my birthday. So I bought it myself, and it's a present from me to me for my birthday. So it is here. It is in kind of relatively big Chanel bag / box. So I'm sure all of you want to see what's in this bag, and you all are wondering, what did I go for? I'm gonna give you a little spoiler now and say that I've actually shown this item on my Insta stories when I was asking you guys which one of two should I go for. Long story short, you guys really helped me with the poll, and if you follow my Instagram regularly and you watch my Insta stories, then you definitely know what's in the box or in the bag. Let's do this. I'm actually very excited to unbox this. And as always, they boxed it so nicely inside of the Chanel black bag. We have this beautiful box with a ribbon, white ribbon, which says Chanel and the camellia. I always wonder, how did they box this up and how did they do this so nicely every single time. So anyway, remove the camellia. Now, so I hope I'm filming. Imagine if I'm not filming and I unbox the whole thing and then it's like, so that was the bag, and then I realized that I haven't actually unboxed it. That's like my biggest, well, it's not my biggest fear. My biggest fear is fear of unused potential, but other than that, it would be like filming something and it's not recording. I'm just kidding, that's too superficial. But anyway, I think I'm gonna shift a little bit to this side so you guys I can present you what's in the box a little bit better. I'm so excited because I'm just curious as well to know what you guys think about this item. When you open it, it's relatively big, a lot of tissue paper. I think this item is pretty special. It's probably one of the most, no, it is it is definitely the most expensive Chanel bag I own. And that's not the reason why I love it. Currently I'm wearing loads and loads my Gabrielle, the red velvet, red and tweed bag, which you could have seen in my what I got for Christmas video. I'm wearing that one loads and loads. But other than that, feels like there's no bag inside. That there is. So we got this tissue paper, which was done in kind of like a harmonica way. And then you're gonna soon see what's inside. We got the dust bag, and now you can already kind of tell, right? So if you watch my Insta stories now, you definitely know what I got. But if you haven't, you still have to wait a little bit more to see. I love, this is like one of the most exciting moments for me. Even though I have like 70 designer bags, the feeling never gets old and I never get bored of them, and I have to say that I'm never the one to take them for granted. So, took the bag outside of the box now. Ta-da! Oh my god, it actually matches this perfectly. So we have a beautiful ink blue chevron boy bag with this pleating on the side, which is quite not a standard thing that all the boys have, but it's like a little bit different. And then when you open it, I really love that it's green, because my black boy bag is smooth leather and it is so scratched inside especially, so this one will definitely last me longer. So inside is just like all the boys. Again, more tissue paper. Yeah, so inside it just has like one back pocket and it's like an empty kind of rectangular bag. And what I love about it so much is that the hardware is like almost gold but almost silver, so it's like a dirty gold, not too flashy, not too much in your face, and it's not like, you know, those like bright and shiny and crazy what do you call it? I feel like it kind of makes a bag a little bit cheaper if the hardware is too shiny. Does that make any sense? Or too yellow? I don't know, maybe I'm just not making any sense. However, I definitely did really well with this bag. So this is what it is, and I cannot believe that it actually matches the sweater I'm wearing right now, which I will also link, of course, in the description box below. So, bag aside, inside of this bag, we have a lot of tissue paper. We have the kind of like thing that was inside of the bag. We always have this kind of like how to care about your Chanel like little instruction thing, which comes with a glove. I actually use this glove always to clean my bags. Let me show it to you. So it is basically like a glove that has a cardboard piece inside, and then whenever I have something on my bag, I use this to clean it. Or you can use it to remove your makeup, but that's not what it's for, I guess. I'm so excited about this bag. I cannot wait to wear it. So it's like a beautiful blue bag, and I think it will go perfect for the summer with like dresses, for like days out or nights out. It is like a little bit like bigger than I guess like a night bag, but I don't think it will stop me from wearing it in the evenings as well. I cannot wait to wear it with like dresses and espadrilles, sandals, like when I go to LA in like kind of like springy time. I think it will be like a perfect bag for lunch dates and things like that. Also think because of the color, which is quite specific, ink blue, almost like between like blue, royal blue and purple, it will go really well with denim. And the best thing about it is that the fact that it's like grainy and chevron at the back as well, it will not actually get any denim marks. So yeah, let me give you like a little bit more details on the bag. On the side, as all the boys, it says Chanel here. It still has like that plastic thing on the hardware, of course. It's just clear on this side, as well as on this side. At the back it's like chevron. I don't think I own any chevron bags either. This is probably the only chevron bag I have. No, actually I have the big YSL one that I use for traveling, where I put my laptop and stuff like that. But that one like is not really like, it's like a huge bag, so it's different. So yeah, and I have a small wallet on chain by YSL as well, which is chevron. But this is like the first Chanel chevron handbag I have. So I have two other boys. So the first ever boy bag that I got was the black smooth leather. This is like a lamp, and it's so sensitive. Black color and gold hardware. And now you can see it, what it looks like compared to the new one, the chevron, not smooth leather. You see this one's a lot shinier than this one, and so the black one is a lot shinier than the blue one. And you can now see what it looks like with the pleat thing, how different it is, and as well as from the back. I think this smooth leather is very sensitive. The shape is likely to be lost more than in this one, and you can see that the hardware is like two different tones, that the gold, I don't know how to show you this. Okay, so you can see that the gold hardware is actually different. It's not like the same gold. This one is a bit more like vintage looking, and I really prefer it. I have to say I wore this bag a lot, especially when I got it. And I mean, you can see it. I still wear it from time to time, a lot rarer though. The corners are pretty worn and used. It doesn't show too much, but it's visible. It's a little bit grayer in the area. I guess I could take it to the Chanel spa to get it a little bit better, like maintained. However, I'm not doing that right now, so it's not like on top of my priority list. As well as when you open this bag, it looks pretty like used up here because of the smooth leather, which is more likely to, what you call it, like to get that like wear and tear in a worst way. Now, this is the comparison in sizes between the small boy bag and the medium. So I have the small boy bag in this like powdery beige color. It's also in smooth leather with silver hardware, but this bag is just in such a better condition than the black smooth leather one. I don't know what it is, but it hasn't got a single scratch. I've got it now for I think a year and a half. I'm pretty sure, no, yeah, like a year and a half. The hardware is beautiful because it's like silver, but here around the Chanel logo it has some kind of like mix of this color. I'm not sure if I can explain it very well. I'll try and show it to you later in the close-ups. I love also the dirty silver hardware, so it's not like just very silver in your face, but it's more like rock and roll. It's not chevron like this one, but it's like the standard Chanel check. I absolutely love it. This is one of my favorite bags I own. It's kind of like in this pearly beige color that I adore, and I think I'll probably wear this one like a lot because I love this one so much. So in terms of sizes, this one's pretty small. It fits like my 2 phones, external battery charger, and my card holder, and that's about it. Probably like a lip gloss, but that would be it. Whereas this one would fit a little bit more, which is why it's a perfect kind of like a bag for trips and day trips and things like that. So overall, you can wear it as a crossbody on your shoulder or on your arm like this. And now you can see all of them in my hands, what they look like, what different hardwares they are, different colors, different finishes, different patterns, and different leathers. And yeah, I have to say, like, I just love this model. I think it's a classic and it's kind of trendy, it's cool. And I mean, who wouldn't like to say that they've got 3 boys, right? In any possible way in their life. So yeah, that would be it with my Chanel unboxing and comparison. I have to say that the price keeps going up as well. So if you're really thinking about getting one, now is the right time to get it before it escalates. This bag is definitely currently the most expensive Chanel bag I own. I think so, yeah. I think it's the most expensive Chanel bag I own. I love it and I cannot wait to wear it. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you liked it. What are your favorite Chanel handbags? And let me know which one you think I should invest in next. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye!